Affirm's virtual or physical card, Visa, issued by WebBank, allows you to shop at Walmart in-store or online, splitting purchases into interest-free pay in 4 installments over 6 weeks, or monthly financing, 0.036% APR. Minimum purchase is $50, limits up to $1,700 based on eligibility via soft credit check. Late fees up to $8 apply. Use the Affirm app, iOS or Android, for setup and payments. In-store, virtual, or physical card. Setup, Affirm. Download the Affirm app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up or log in with email, phone, name, DOB, and SSN, last 4. Apply for the Affirm Card. Instant approval. Physical card arrives in 7 to 10 days. Pre-authorized spend. Open app, tap card. Shop in-store. Enter estimated amount, for example $200. Select pay in 4 or monthly plan. Generate a virtual card number or use the physical card. Shop at Walmart. Select items for minimum $50. At checkout, provide virtual card details to cashier or swipe. Tap physical card. Select credit. For virtual, add to Apple or Google Pay for contactless. Confirm plan. Post-purchase. Confirm plan in-app, 24-hour window. First payment charges instantly. Online, walmart.com. Shop and checkout. Add items to cart. Select Affirm at checkout under Other Payments. Log in and approve. Sign into Affirm, choose plan and confirm. No card needed. Affirm pays Walmart directly. Tips. Verify Walmart accepts Affirm in-store, most do. Track payments via app, returns adjust plans. Contact Affirm support, 1-855-423-3729, or app chat for issues.